Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today, in my boredom, I have decided that I need to build myself an electric turntable for product photography and things such as that. Whatever I want to spin in little circles. So what we're going to do is tear up the garage, look for some parts. I don't want to go buy one, so I'm just going to make it myself. I just want to make it myself because I have a lot of stuff laying around the garage. When I have old electronics and stuff, I pull the motors and the parts out just for future projects like this. So let's tear up the garage and see what we can find. Okay, so the first thing I need is a turntable itself, something to spin around. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Let's look over here, because I really want to make a large one, and I just so happen to have a giant plastic disc of high density polyethylene. So that's going to be the tabletop itself. Now I have to find something to spin it. Let's see. Not the turtle. I think this fan motor right here will work just fine. Okay, so here are a couple parts that I'm going to use for my turntable. For the tabletop itself, I'm going to use this high density polyethylene circle. It's probably about 18 inches across. And then I'm going to use this old fan motor that came out of like a little portable AC unit or like a dehumidifier. I'm not sure which one it came from. But I mean, basically, this is just going to be on top of this, and it's going to spin and be a turntable. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this fan attachment right here. It's called a squirrel cage, and I'm going to flip it upside down to try to give the turntable a lower profile. And step one is complete. Now step two is going to be, as you can tell, the screw is sticking up higher than the actual squirrel cage, which is not going to allow our table to sit flat. So what I'm going to do is find the center of this, drill out a hole big enough for that to go into. Therefore, it sits nice and flat. Okay, so apparently I suck at life. My intention was to build this whole thing from just stuff laying around the house, but I don't have a dimmer switch, so here I am at Lowe's to get a dimmer switch. Okay, so alas, I've made it home. I have my dimmer switch right here. I bought a little box to stick it in. So what we're going to do is go ahead and hook the dimmer switch up, and we're going to plug this thing up, see if it's going to work. And then I'm going to use these old dresser knobs as feet to give it a nice stable base. Okay, so now the moment of truth. Is it going to blow up or is it going to work? Let's find out. So first, I don't know which way is on or off with this. Oh, I don't know, we'll see. So the switch is working, but it's working too well. I'm going to have to figure out how to slow this thing down. Let's try it with the actual disc on there. Maybe it'll just spin a little slower. Okay, so now we got the disc going. Let's see what's going to happen. If it doesn't go any faster, that's actually probably still too fast. Okay, and there you have it. How does it look? How does it work? We're not finished yet. We still have to complete everything, but that's the rough build, the proof of concept. So let's go ahead and button everything else up, wrap it up, and see what we get. Okay, and so here is the result of my product turntable. Let's check it out. As you can see, I've got it spinning quite fast right now. I'm going to slow it down. And to be completely honest, I've got this thing wired on a dimmer. It plugs into the outlet over there, and it works quite nicely. But the honest truth is it spins too fast, and I really don't have a way with this AC motor to get it to spin slower. So realistically speaking, what I'm going to do is place a product on it and just give it a little slight spin. And there you have it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have different covers for this, like a green one for green screen type effect if you want to just eliminate it, you know, like a smooth black texture, or maybe a mirror finish, just depending on what you want to showcase and how you want it to look. But that's going to be it for my day spent making my little table. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. And as always, I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.